Technical writing. How to make money explaining complex things simply. What if you could make money online simply by explaining complicated things clearly? Think about this. You open a software application, but you don't know how to use a feature. You buy a product, but the instructions are confusing. You visit a company's website, but you can't understand how its service works. You search Google for an answer and finally find a simple guide that solves your problem. Someone had to write that explanation. That person could be a technical writer. And here's the interesting part. You don't have to be a software engineer to become a technical writer. You need to understand information, organize it, research carefully, and explain it in a way that ordinary people can understand. Welcome back to 100 Ways to Make Money Online, the audiobook series where we explore practical and beginner-friendly ways to build income using the internet. Today, we're exploring technical writing, a specialized writing skill that can turn your ability to explain things into a valuable online service. Let's begin with the most important question. What exactly is technical writing? Technical writing is the process of creating clear documentation and instructional content about products, systems, services, tools, or technical subjects. And don't let the word technical scare you. Technical writing isn't necessarily about using complicated language. In fact, the best technical writers do the opposite. They take something complicated and make it simple. For example, imagine a software company launches a new application. The developers understand exactly how the software works, but customers may not. The company might need someone to write user guides, tutorials, FAQs, help articles, set up instructions, product documentation, and troubleshooting guides. That's where a technical writer comes in. Now imagine another situation. A company creates an API that allows developers to connect their software with another application. The technology may be extremely complicated, but developers still need documentation explaining how to use it. A technical writer helps turn that complicated information into organized, understandable documentation. And that's where the opportunity begins. Companies constantly create products and services, and every new product creates questions. How do I install it? How do I use it? How do I fix a problem? What does this feature do? How do I connect it to another system? Good documentation answers those questions, and businesses are willing to pay for documentation because clear information can reduce customer confusion and support requests. So, what can a technical writer actually create? The list is surprisingly large. Technical writers can create user manuals, help center articles, how-to guides, installation instructions, troubleshooting guides, knowledge bases, frequently asked questions, software documentation, API documentation, standard operating procedures, product documentation, training materials, technical reports, and educational tutorials. You might already have experience with some of these without realizing it. Have you ever written instructions for someone? Have you ever explained how to install software? Have you ever created a step-by-step guide? Have you ever helped someone understand a complicated process? Those are the same fundamental skills technical writers use professionally. Now let's talk about the skills you need. The first skill is simple. Write clearly. A technical document shouldn't try to impress readers with complicated vocabulary. Its job is to help them accomplish something. Instead of saying, "Initiate the authentication protocol through the designated interface," you might simply say, "Sign in using your username and password." Simple is powerful. The second skill is research. Technical writers constantly learn new subjects. You might receive a project about software you've never used. That's okay. You research it, interview subject matter experts, study product documentation, test the process yourself when possible, and then organize what you've learned. You don't need to know everything before starting. You need to know how to learn. The third skill is organization. Imagine opening a 100-page manual and finding one giant wall of text. You'd probably close it immediately. Good technical documentation is organized. It uses headings, short paragraphs, lists, steps, examples, screenshots when appropriate, and logical navigation. The reader should always know, where am I? What am I supposed to do? What happens next? That's what good documentation accomplishes. The fourth skill is attention to detail. Technical writing requires accuracy. If one button is called Settings in your instructions, but is actually called Preferences inside the software, the reader can become confused. If a step is missing, the process may fail. If an instruction is outdated, customers may waste time. That's why technical writers carefully check their work. Accuracy creates trust. Now let's answer the question you're probably asking. How can you make money with technical writing? There are several paths. You can work as a freelance technical writer, find contract projects, work remotely for technology companies, specialize in software documentation, write documentation for startups, create standard operating procedures for businesses, write educational technology guides, or build your own technical content business. And there's another interesting opportunity: documentation as a service. Many small businesses don't have a dedicated technical writer. They may have software, internal processes, customer instructions, or training materials, but everything is scattered across emails, documents, and conversations. You can help organize that information into a professional knowledge base. You're not simply selling writing, you're selling clarity. So, how do you get started? Here's a simple beginner roadmap. Step 1, choose an area you're interested in. Technology, software, cybersecurity, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, finance, software, healthcare technology, manufacturing, or another technical field. You don't have to become an expert overnight. Start learning. Step 2, study existing documentation. Visit software help centers, read user guides, look at API documentation, and pay attention to how professional companies structure information. Notice what makes documentation easy or difficult to understand. Step 3, create sample projects. You don't need a client to build a portfolio. Choose a simple application or technical process. Create a beginner-friendly user guide, a troubleshooting article, a step-by-step tutorial, and an FAQ. Now you have samples that demonstrate your ability. Step 4, create a simple portfolio. Your portfolio doesn't need to be complicated. Show the problem, show your documentation, explain how you organize the information, and demonstrate your writing style. Step 5, start looking for clients. Freelance marketplaces can be one option. Professional networking platforms can be another. You can also contact software startups, technology companies, agencies, and businesses directly. But here's a powerful tip. Don't simply say, "Hi, I am a technical writer." Do you have work? Instead, demonstrate value. For example, you could say, "I noticed your product has several useful features. I can help turn your existing technical information into clear user guides and help center content." That's a business solution, not just a job request. But here's the secret. Technical writing becomes much more valuable when you combine writing with technical knowledge. Imagine two writers. Writer A can write general articles. Writer B understands software, APIs, cloud platforms, and technical documentation. The second writer has a more specialized skill set. That's why specialization can be powerful. You could become a technical writer specializing in AI documentation, SaaS products, developer documentation, cybersecurity documentation, cloud technology, data tools, software tutorials, or another growing technical field. The more valuable the knowledge you develop, the more useful your writing can become. Can AI replace technical writers? This is an important question. AI tools can certainly help technical writers. They can assist with outlines, rewriting, summarizing, brainstorming, and organizing information. But technical documentation still requires human judgment. Someone needs to understand the product, verify the information, test instructions, identify missing steps, understand the audience, and make sure the documentation actually works. So instead of thinking, AI will replace me, how can I become a technical writer who knows how to use AI effectively? The future may belong to people who combine technical knowledge, communication skills, and modern tools. How much can you earn? There is no guaranteed income. Your earnings depend on your skills, experience, specialization, clients, location, project complexity, and ability to deliver valuable results. Beginners may start with smaller projects. As your portfolio and expertise grow, you can pursue larger projects, specialized contracts, and long-term clients. And remember, you aren't paid simply for typing words. You're paid for helping people understand something. You're paid for reducing confusion. You're paid for saving time. You're paid for creating documentation that helps a business operate better. That is the real value of technical writing. If you're serious about trying this, here's a simple 7-day challenge. Day 1, choose a technical topic. Day 2, research it. Day 3, create an outline. Day 4, write a step-by-step guide. Day 5, edit and fact-check it. Day 6, turn it into a portfolio sample. Day 7, start contacting potential clients. Don't wait until you're an expert. Start learning by doing, because your first technical writing project doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to demonstrate that you can take complicated information, organize it, and make it understandable. Let's return to the opening question. Can you make money online by explaining complicated things simply? Absolutely. Businesses need people who can turn technical information into useful instructions. Customers need answers. Employees need training. Developers need documentation. And users need clarity. That's the opportunity. Technical writing may not be the loudest online business model. It may not go viral on social media, but it solves a real business problem. And sometimes the most valuable online skills are the ones businesses quietly need every day. So choose a subject, learn it, write about it, build your portfolio, find your first client, then keep improving. Thank you for listening to episode 12 of 100 Ways to Make Money Online. If you're enjoying this series, subscribe and continue the journey as we explore more practical ways to turn skills, knowledge, and creativity into online income. In the next episode, we'll uncover another opportunity and discover how a different digital skill can become a potential source of income. Until then, keep learning, keep writing, and keep simplifying. Because when you can make complicated things simple, your knowledge becomes valuable.